How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find a Gmail account using a phone number. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the Google, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu at the top, you can see your profile name. So right beside that, simply tap on the drop down arrow. And here, once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on the option labeled as add another account. And once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to tap on Google. And after that, you'll be prompted to the Google sign in page. Now here, once you are on the sign in page, just tap on the option labeled as forget email, which is right under the sign in box. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter the phone number linked to your Gmail account. So here, simply enter the phone number linked to your Gmail account, and after that, simply tap on next. And here, once you do that, Google will ask you for your name associated with the account and may send verification to that phone number. So there, you just have to enter the code to continue. And once verified, Google will show you the Gmail accounts linked to that phone number. And that's it. That's how you can find a Gmail account by phone number. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.